Okay, so this I think is the best I can do. So it's a little bit fuzzy, but that's okay. So let's talk about some angles in here.
Well,
what are some angles that you see that you know what they are?
Well, it looks the angles on these rectangles here, those are right angles.
Those are right angles. So how many degrees are in those?
Those are 300. Those are 90 degrees.
90 degrees. Okay, great.
Well, I think these angles, because these lines are parallel, there's two sets of parallel lines, and they're sort of perpendicular.
Okay.
So all of these angles are the same for those. So let's see. Well, we can try to calculate them.
Well, we'll calculate in a second. Do you see any other 90-degree angles that are not part of the squares?
Well, this is a 90-degree angle.
Sure looks like it. See any more?
Let's see. Those are in the same shape.
Well, it's okay if they're in the same shape, as long as they're in a different place.
All of these in here are
Yeah.
right angles.
That's pretty neat, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So we see some other shapes that have right angles that aren't rectangles. Okay. So let's now try to calculate some angles that are not right angles.
Well, let's see. Since all of these angles are the same, it's going to be 360. We need to find how many.
Which angles are the same?
Well, all of these angles in this shape are the same.
Okay, cool.
Since it's a non-regular octagon.
It is a non-regular octagon, you're right.
So it's going to, we found the formula for what the angles add up to.
In an octagon? The interior angles in an octagon. Okay.
Interior angles in an octagon, well.
What do they add up to?
I think for an n-gon it was n minus 2 times 180.
All right.
So it's 6 times 180.
Okay, so the angles in this octagon here, even though it's not regular, add up to 6 times 180.
Yeah.
So what does that mean each one of them is?
6 times 180, that would 6 times 18, it's 108.
Okay.
So these add up to 1080.
Yeah.
1080 divided by 8.
Ooh, 1080 divided by 8. How are we going to do that?
1080 divided by 8, well, we know what, we can split it into 1000 divided by 8 and 80 divided by 8.
Okay.
So 80 divided by 8 is 10, and 1000 divided by 8 is 125.
Okay.
So that means combined they're 135-degree angles.
Very good. So you found these are 135-degree angles in these non-regular octagons. That's
cool.
Awesome. Okay.
Yeah.
Now we can double check that by seeing right here. See where we've got this right angle and those two 135-degree angles? What should that add up to?
Should add up to, it should add up to 360.
Okay, so what's 135 plus 135?
It's 270.
270 plus 90 is?
360.
How about that? How about that? Okay, well that's cool. Let's see if we can find the angles in this shape here, which has, how many sides does this shape have?
That shape has 6. It's a hexagon.
It's a hexagon. Now, are all the angles in this hexagon the same?
No.
No, so this might be more of a challenge. Actually, let's do this in the next. I'm just going to turn the camera on and off, and we'll go to the next video. Okay.
Okay.